Welcome to the Me Made Makes YouTube channel, where we talk about all things bag making. Whether you're new to bag making or just looking to hone your skills, there'll be a video here to help you on your bag making journey. Hi, my name is Deb. I run a bag making supply business here in the northeast of England, as well as creating a fantastic community of bag makers both here on YouTube and on Facebook. I'm really passionate about trying to make bag making as inclusive as possible for everybody, and I really wanted to create a community where everybody could come together, learn and share no matter how much experience they had. I run sewing events in my local area, which include monthly socials and meetups, which inevitably involve cake, but also lots of laughing too. So if you want fun, informal videos where I make bags like this, and like this, and like this, and also purses like this, or talk about using tools and equipment such as this. Please feel free to join us by giving this video a like and by hitting the subscribe button. If you click on the bell, you'll also never miss a video when it's released. Community really is what makes this channel special, helping celebrate our successes and also helping each other through challenges. So I will see you on the next video. Until next time,